Using Toyota Hilux with spacer is a good practical application for aesthetics purpose and performance upgrades. It is the most cost-effective and easiest way to keep big tires from rubbing against the fenders. By moving the tires out a few millimeters, these Toyota Hilux with spacers make your trucks look sporty and muscular. Additionally, this is a big improvement for your ride. The wheels sit further away, which provides better stability and rollover resistance. You can achieve such a purpose without replacing the wheels. If you use Toyota Hilux with spacers, make sure the provided wheel locks are strong enough. BONOSS Toyota Hilux with spacers are made of high-strength 6061-T6 and 7075-T6 aluminum alloy materials. After continuous tons of pressure, the forging process eliminates internal void pockets and weakened metal parts, maximizing fatigue resistance and increasing impact strength. The Toyota with spacers can significantly influence your vehicle's appearance, stability, and off-roading performance. By increasing the track weight, these Toyota with spacers can improve handling, especially when cornering. The wheels sit further away, which provides better stability and rollover resistance. You can achieve such a purpose without replacing the stock wheels and tires. After installing wheel spacers, the arches are completely filled up. This provides a perfect flush wheel stance. If you seek a more aggressive and powerful wheel style, you can use 1-inch to 2-inch wheel spacers. The Toyota 6-lug wheel spacers create the necessary clearance for larger brake calipers, wider tires, and aftermarket suspension components. This is essentially for those looking to upgrade their braking system or suspension setups for better off-road performance.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS with spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.